afternoon, guys. We are here at the Arts Place where they are preparing for the Chew. What is the Chew, you ask? Kaylin Query is with us from Lex Effect, and this sounds like such a cool series. I want to be at all of them. What's the Chew?
Yeah, so it's a quarterly dinner series. The theme this year is seasons. So 4 very seasonal winter, spring, summer, fall menus. They're each at different locations featuring different chefs. Totally Kentucky proud menus, and they're paired with a locally made beer, wine, or spirit.
Okay, tell folks what a dinner series is.
Dinner series is a 3-course meal. You can come to one or all 4 different locations, 4 different chefs, and basically we're just going to take you through the seasons, take you through local farmers, and some great beer, wine, and spirit pairings.
Okay, this sounds like so much fun. And when you talk about fun, you talk to this guy. Jason from the Village Idiot is with us, and you're handling all the good stuff for this first series, I understand.
Yes, we're going to do a pork chop with some black Tuscan kale. It's going to have a bourbon Dijon sauce and some duck fat roasted potatoes. Okay,
so I heard that this was a bit difficult for you as a chef because it has to be in season and it has to be local.
Yes, in the wintertime, there's not too much that grows.
Right.
So we had to work with a lot of the local farmers to kind of find out what they had and what would be available this time of year. And I think we've come up with a menu that's going to really show off those products.
Knock their socks off. Okay, what are we making coming up at 4:50, Jason?
This is black Tuscan kale. It's not quite as bitter and it's a little more delicate. We're going to do it with some garlic and some red pepper flakes.
All right, we're going to mix that up for the Chew, and tickets are still available?
Yep, LexEffectKY.com. They're $40 for individual tickets, $30 a piece if you buy the whole series.
Going on January 22nd. I'm Deanne Stevens, out and about at the Arts Place. Back to you guys.